guys, welcome back to our channel. The movable wall was recently reset. Ji and Dan are projecting a soft V9 on the movable wall. Let's go.
Dan's gonna try the yellow one.
I think it's gonna be tough. Yeah, the first few moves are fun, they're fine, but as soon as you get onto the face and like you have to rely on the pinch doesn't feel very good. Nice, G, come on. That position is like nice, Lisa. Come on, Lisa. Nice. Come on, Lisa.
Yeah, just for going right, it just feel weird, right?
Yeah,
going
yeah.
for the crimp.
I want to try it in isolation. Let's see.
I think that is so bad.
It's tiring. I think you might have to go
Maybe
under,
just-
actually.
Just go for the top.
Maybe. Nice, G. Oh, these guys. Straight to the big one. That might be the way, because this next hold is like, yeah. I don't know, you can kind of grab this other thing. You got it.
Oh,
Oh, you just can't pull.
yeah, it's just the left hand is just give up.
Yeah.
Yeah, just go for the big one.
Oh, you want to skip that?
Maybe. It's kind of hard to generate from there. So.
No.
looked really smooth.
With the toe
Or on the wall? Or in the corner, yeah.
Yeah, the last move feels okay. As long as like,
You gotta hit it right, though.
yeah. I mean, I can get pretty solid left hand, and it's not that far once I get my rifle high.
Nice, G.
Oh. Ah, still that pinch. Oh shit. Ah, slip. Yeah, the lower one is like very easy to cut loose.
Well,
Yeah.
I held it for a second at least.
He put the rifle on this one,
The
on
one
the
that's
one
like,
lower than the first pinch,
like that's facing
Yeah,
this way?
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
and then
You just kind of okay, that
for that move, it's like you don't need to cut feet.
that seems good. Yeah, and then if your feet don't cut, then you can save some energy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get like, just can't hold it.
Yeah, I mean maybe the higher there, a little bit better.
I tried higher too. It doesn't feel too much different to me.
Mm.
I like this guy's plan. Skip the last left pinch.
Yeah.
That's where my head was
Uh,
at. I was like, that was horrible.
Nice, G. Come on. Nice. Nice. Ah,
Almost fall.
that was awesome.
Oh.